In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. If you're looking to step up your Instagram game and create a cohesive, visually appealing feed, this is the perfect place to start. A puzzle feed seamlessly connects multiple posts, creating a larger, eye-catching image across your profile grid. It's a creative way to engage your followers and showcase your brand or aesthetic. First, let's begin by navigating to your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it, and then type in Puzzle Feed. This is going to bring up a variety of pre-designed templates specifically crafted for Instagram puzzle feeds. Now, take a moment to scroll through the options available. You'll want to select a template that resonates with your style or brand theme. This is an important step, as the design you choose will ultimately reflect your overall Instagram presence. Choose your preferred puzzle feed from the selection and click on it to open the template file. With the template open, you'll find a wide range of customization options to help you make this puzzle uniquely yours. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Customize this template. This allows you to make changes to the template to better fit your aesthetic or content strategy. At this point, you'll likely want to replace some of the images and elements in the template to make it your own. To do this, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the Uploads tab. Click on that, or alternatively, you can explore Elements for shapes, lines, and other design features. To replace a photo, simply drag and drop your desired image directly into the placeholder. Don't worry, Canva makes it very easy to adjust the size and position of your images so that they align perfectly with the existing design. As you customize, feel free to mix in a balanced variety of photos, text, and graphic elements. Remember, the aim is to create a cohesive and engaging visual story. You might want to use consistent color palettes and fonts to keep everything harmonious. It's all about creating a seamless transition between posts while ensuring each one can stand independently when viewed separately. Once you're satisfied with your design, Canva allows you to download your creation in high-quality format. You can then slice the large image into individual posts, which can be done using Canva or another tool, ready to be uploaded to your Instagram feed. And there you have it. You've just created a stunning Instagram puzzle feed using Canva, adding that professional touch to your social media profile. By following these steps, you'll engage your audience with a visually enticing feed that tells a story. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your Instagram come to life.